back to my channel. So as you guys know, I have a giveaway going on right now, and it just, sorry, there's glare. It just started yesterday. I've decided I'm gonna end it on Friday, which is the 28th. And so, but I had a new way for you guys to enter instead. This way you guys can save your email addresses. This website, I've never used it before, but I'm trying it out. If it doesn't work, I'll just go back to my traditional way. But I wanted to try this because I feel like it's easier and safer. So I'm gonna show it to you. So this website is called Gleam, and you guys can't really see it right now, but I will take you in a little closer. This website is called gleam.io. And so I made this, and it says Paradise Gallery's 5 Baby Giveaway for Halloween. And so basically, I'm gonna put the link in the description so you guys can click on it. Go down below and click on that link. And what you have to do is you have to be a subscriber, so you'll get an entry for subscribing. You watch the giveaway video and you get the entry for that. And then with this baby option, you have to write which baby you want. And that way, I know which one you want. And then those are your only ways you can enter. And then at the end, it'll pick a random winner, I believe. Pretty sure that's how it does it. So, yeah, that is the thing. And there's the little thing right there. It says, the winner gets one Paradise Gallery's baby with the costume. It says there will be 5 winners. Each one will get one baby and the costume I dressed it in. So that's like the prize. So there's 3 days left. I didn't enter anything. I'm not going to enter because I already have the babies right now. They're at my house. And there are 0 total entries because no one knows about this. And I just made it. And I really hope this works because I think this will be easier and safer for you guys because your emails are automatically in here. I did make it so you have to be 18 or older to enter because you got to have your parents' permission. So have your parents do it, okay? Because then that will be 18 or older. So, yeah, so hopefully this works, and I think it's safer, and I think it's easier too. So you guys have 3 more days, so just enter, and you'll get a confirmation email saying that you entered successfully. So yeah, anyways guys, thanks for, whoa. So if you want to enter my giveaway, go to the link in the description, and enter, and then on Friday I will announce the winners, and I'm very excited, so hopefully you guys are too. It's gonna be really hard to part with these babies because they're so cute. I have them away from me so I won't look at them and get really attached because they're so cute. Anyways, that's all for today, so thanks for watching. Please go like and subscribe, and in the comments let me know if you're gonna enter. I'll see you guys later. Bye!